Good afternoon. Today's the 29th of May, Friday. We made it to the weekend. My first 4 days of work back after being laid off for about 8 weeks. Not too bad a week. Just give you an update on the duck eggs. I've got 14 that I put in the incubator. We'll wait about a week and I'll candle them. I'll do a video of the candling to see if there's any development, and if there's some development then we'll continue to incubate, but if not, after a week then we'll dispose of those eggs. They'll be bad, possibly not fertilized. I'm going to add some interesting footage of my beehives. I used my endoscope camera and got right down at the entrance, and you can see bees bringing in pollen and all the activity with the good weather that we've been having, and all the plants and nectar that's out there for the bees to forage on. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Leave me comments on how I can improve things, how I can make better videos. If there's anything you want me to show you with my limited knowledge of beekeeping, I'd be happy to share that and even help someone set up beehives if they would like that. Have a good weekend.